Today's video is going to be how I assemble my students' end of the year promotion gift for summer and for promotion for preschool. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in their baggie, and I'm going to show you how I did the bag because it's going to be Disney theme, and I'm going to show you how I did this bag. So let's get started. To do this bag, of course, you're going to need a bag. And by the way, almost every item I got it from the Dollar Tree. So there's that, very economical. The bags here, I believe there's packets where it comes 3 in a pack or 2 in a pack. It depends. I think there were 2 in a pack for this size. And then you need cardboard or cardstock paper. I'm using pink and red. For the case of the boys, I'm using red. In the case of the girls, I'm using pink. And this is how it looks. I'm going to turn you over so I can show you how they will look. There is that. You can see that's how they look. I did printed this. And I'm going to show you a smaller size. This is how they will look, the girls and the boys. I didn't have blue cardstock. That's why I'm not using blue cardstock, but it's Mickey, so it the red makes sense. That's how they will look. I did print them bigger though. So the girls will look like this. I did have that space, and I did boys, the boys like that, and then the girls are pink. So let's see, let me show you one like this so you can see the boy and the girl. So you will print this out, and then I did went over it with black marker on some of them because they were going cuckoo, but that's how they will look. That's the print out, and then I handwritten their name. You need the cardstock. I did fold it in half, and then half of it is for one side. I did use these bags for something else, and then I ended up tearing off whatever that we did that for that project. That's why I'm doing it. I'm doing the cover up with this and then putting their name. But if you wanted to look completely white, you could do so, and it's white and just the layer out. But I thought it bumps it up a little bit like this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what I'm going to be including in the box. Hold on, it interrupted a minute. I think I'm doing something. So that's how the baggie will look, and that's how it looks opened. And these are the items that I'm going to be including. I told you already, I got it from the Dollar Tree. They had these paddle ball, and they have that design on this side, and then this design on the other. They have other designs for many other designs. Look at this one. This one has a cut on that side and kind of like boba on the other. This one has smiley faces and then one big smiley face. There is the froggy with froggies on the other side, and I believe that is all of the designs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, those are all the designs. I'm going to be including in that baggie, I'm going to be including that paddle board, paddle ball. So I'm going to include a paddle ball, and then I'm going to include one of these, which is a doodle, sketch a doodle. I want them to practice their name, so it's erasable. It has a magnet. You write in here, and then it is erased. So it includes one of these, and it also includes one of these. This is from their summer area. We had this bubble, bigger version of this from there, which they cost $5 actually, and I saw these right away. I took the entire case of them. They include 18, and there was just enough for my class. So this is a bubble set, $1.25, and it has 4 little paddle, like 4 little things. It includes the 4 wands and 4 ounces of bubble solution. So it's already in there. The bubble solution is in there. It's spill safe. They're not spilling it. It's perfect for the preschoolers. This is too spill resistant, 2 and up. So I thought it would be cute because they love the bubbles. And then I'm going to include also one of these. Pita Cat was our favorite book to read. And they had this over the teacher area. It has 15 sheets of stickers, so it's 135 stickers and all. Now these are they're all repetitive. The 15 sheets are the same, so I thought it would be nice to include this in there. I'm not sure if I'm just going to include it just like that, their sticker sheets, or not. I also bought to be more personal, I bought a card, and this is how they look. They come in a pack of 6, and it's the notes by Hallmarks. It has 6 notes, and it includes the little envelope and the card. And I thought this one was most appropriate because it has many fillings. Preschoolers have many fillings, and it's completely white on the inside for me to add anything I want. And now I'm not sure if I'll include the stickers in there or in the bag. And I also printed, I took a picture with each of my students, and I'm going to include them here in the little thing. I thought I had it with me, but it has a picture with me and the students. Let me see, maybe it's this one. So I'm gonna put their name so it matches Caden, you know. And inside it's the little card, which I haven't write anything yet, and it includes me and the student. It's a picture. It's a 4x4, and I used a 50% off all photos coupon from Walgreens, so that gave me a little extra. So it includes a picture with the student and I, and then the little, I'm going to write something there for the parent and for the kids. Sometimes they bring those books from Dr. Seuss, The Places I'll Be. That's nice. I might include it in here. Let me see if it fits perfectly. It does. Look, if we include the stickers, it fits perfectly. And either mommy can save the picture they wanted, and the kid could save the thing. And then I'm going to include it. I'm going to put it in there. And this, I might add a candy at the end, and I'm gonna tie it with a ribbon, I think. But this is how all of their baggies will look. Let me turn you around. So that's how it will look. You will need the packet. You see, I did something else, so I have to redo that. So I'll glue using Elmer's glue. I glue this one. I will be cutting either pink or red, whatever color I'm using. I'm still deciding if I want to use the pink one or not, because I don't know how much it will come out. But you will see at the end, I'm going to cut it and then glue it some more. And on the other side, we're gonna make it look like a piece of paper, like a sheet of paper, and that's where I'm gonna put from me to the person, and then I'm gonna show you how to do that. So on the other side, we're gonna do this. We're gonna grab our ruler and make horizontal lines like this, and then a red vertical line like this, so it look like a sheet of paper. And I'm gonna put from me, have a great preschool promotion. And yeah, let me do that. So this is how it looks. Looks like a sheet of paper. So one side would be like this and the other one would be like that. Then I'm gonna put from me, and then preschool promotion love, or preschool promotion love, and then my name right here. And since it's preschool, I use bigger lines, and then it looks really cute, doesn't it? One side and then the other. So their baggie will look like that. And then what they're gonna get from inside would be their bubbles, their sketch doodle pad, their paddle ball, and their little card with their picture and with their stickers, just like that.